Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a trending niche on YouTube Shorts, AI cat videos. These cute animated cats with their playful meows and funny antics are gaining massive views, and guess what? According to Social Blade, creators in this niche are raking in some serious earnings. What's even better, this is still a low competition area in YouTube Shorts, which means it's the perfect opportunity for you to create viral content and start earning. So, how do you get started? Stick around as we walk you through the easy step by step process of creating this captivating AI cat videos. So, the first thing that you need is to find a viral story and generate a storyboard. ChatGPT. This AI tool is amazing for brainstorming viral stories in just a few clicks. Here's what you can do. Type the prompt, write a viral cat story in 200 words, add twists so that viewers are hooked till the end. In no time, you'll have a fantastic story ready to go. Once you've got your story, the next step is to create a storyboard. This will break your story down into individual scenes so you know exactly how the video will flow. For this, you can use ChatGPT again. Simply type the prompt, create visual prompts or storyboards based on this cat story to generate visuals in Bing AI Image Creator. And just like that, your storyboard is ready for the next step. Now that the story and storyboard are set, it's time for the fun part, creating those adorable AI cat images. To do this, we'll use Bing AI Image Creator, a free tool that turns your text prompts into high quality AI generated images. Pro tip, use the phrase 3D animation style in your prompt to give your cats that extra pop of cuteness. And if you want to create or recreate a certain cat image or style, you can ask the AI to generate images similar to existing ones. Simply include a detailed description in your prompt. Next, we need to add the magical sound effects. Audio is a huge part of what makes these videos so captivating. You can head over to YouTube and search for unique original audio from AI music generators. There are tons of free sounds and tracks that you can use for your videos, like cute meows or fun background music. Once you've got your images and audio, it's time to bring everything together and start editing. For editing, you can use two free tools like Canva. Simply upload the AI-generated cat images in the audio, then arrange the images in the order that fits your storyboard. Add transitions, fun effects, or animations to make it pop. And just like that, your video is ready to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.